Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this beautiful face for the very first time, I'm Corleone and I do a little bit of everything on this channel. So do not be a stranger. Go ahead and click that subscribe button to turn the longer because it's lit over here, baby. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know the vibes already. Get in the back because today we are doing something new but fun. I will be sharing my recent sneaker pickups with you guys, and I will also be sharing some shoes from my shoe collection that you could also add to yours as we are transitioning from summer into fall. Okay, so if you do end up getting any inspo for shoes or sneakers that you will be adding to your collection, please be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. And if you do want me to help you source any of the shoes that you see on this video, go ahead and let me know in the comments or check the description box so that you can follow me on Instagram and send me a DM privately. So without wasting too much time, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so our first pair of kicks is from the Off-White and Nike Dunkle collection. This one I have here right now is the Nike Off-White and Dunkle Lot 37. Get into the details, baby. This is a very sweet pair of kicks. I really love them, and I like the fact that each pair of these kicks from this collection have like a very nice assortment of different pops of colors that you could, you know, mix and match, pair with any type of outfit that you want. And I noticed this detail in here today. But this is a very sweet pair of kicks and they're very comfortable. They're true to size, and just for reference, I'm a size 39. Dunk clothes are very comfortable, honestly, and people with wider feet stand a chance to enjoy them really well. If you do have wider feet and they feel narrow up front, all you need to do is size up 0.5. Yeah, and I went with this color because I didn't really want something that was too bright, but at the same time I wanted something like a little pop of color, so I could like style this anyhow I want. The fact that these colors are put over like a neutral background is really nice. It's still clean. I haven't worn this yet. I can't wait to wear this and put an outfit together. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. Follow me on Instagram if you aren't doing that already for more inspo outside of YouTube. Okay. Next up, we have an absolute favorite of mine. I've been wanting to have this in my collection for the longest time. This is the Air Jordan mid ones in Trooper and Bleach Coral. Y'all, when I tell you, olive green and bleach coral have never ever looked so good. Look at how the light pink complements the olive green. This is so beautiful. Look at the leather. Check. You can also peep the light pink on the Jumpman and also on the Air Wings logo right here. I feel like it's very nice. It's very unique. Air Jordan 1s are definitely all day wear kind of shoes. You're welcome. Next up, we have the Nike Dunkle Retro White Black Panda. Oh my god, this this pair of shoes, this is like my everyday pair of shoes. Like, I have abused these shoes. I have definitely abused this pair of kicks. They're screaming for help, honestly. I really love this black and white colorway. This actually comes in a whole lot of different colorways. Like, there's red, there's green, there's a whole lot of colors that you could choose from. But I really like this because I can match and pair with anything whatsoever and it would just go. They're very I'm not even stressing this enough. They're very comfortable, and this color combo is actually timeless. Like, I really love that about these pair of Nike Dunkles. If you do not have one of these, definitely add it to your collection in a colorway that you like. Okay guys, so next up we have this Air Jordan 1 mids from the Sneakers and Stuff 20th anniversary. I think this was released in their collab with Jordans, and I really love the red accents here. It's leather around the ankles and right here as well, and you can see the Air Wings logo has the same red accents as well. It's really nice. The suede overlays make this very distinct. I really like that as well. And they're very comfortable. You can see that this is obviously another pair of kicks that I've worn one too many times. And Sneakers and Stuff hang tag is supposed to complete this look, but I don't think all of these come with one. But yeah, this one here is another one of my favorites. It's the Nike Air Force 1 from the Shadow collection. I think this one is the beige pale ivory or the Nike Air Force One shadow pink purple, I think. I really love like the vibrant colors on here. It has light blue, pink, purple, and this I think it's mint green. And I really like the double swoosh feature as well. I like how the transparent swoosh over the pink one makes it look like really glazed. There are also a lot of other color combos from the shadow collection that you could choose from. They're very attractive, like you can see it from a mile away, and I feel like you could actually use this when you're wearing like maybe pastel colored outfits or anyhow you want to pair it really. Next up, we have the Jordan 4 Retros Off-White Sail W's. Now this is very nice. It's giving monochrome, it's giving very unique. Really like the whole cream color tones going on here. And let's get into the details. What I really love about the details is the mesh and translucent materials, like in front, on the toe box, on the sides, as you can see, and at the back as well. And these are very comfortable. They look chunky, but they don't feel heavy at all. They're actually pretty lightweight. Alright guys, so that was it for my recent sneaker pickups. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Comment your favorite pair of shoes down below. Let me know if you want to see more of this type of content, and I'll be sure to deliver. Let me know if you're a sneaker babe or a heel babe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited.